So people were asking if the Masterfire holster can actually work with something like a 2011, and I was advising them that the problem is you have a full dust cover. It interferes with the way the holster works. So please excuse the shakiness of this video. So there's the X300 that works with the Masterfire holster. You see how close it basically touches the rail? The problem is you got to get the light to sit under there. Okay, it does kind of fit like that, but then the problem is that I run into the magazine release interferes right there, and then on top of it, those plastic flanges right inside here, there's not enough space to get the gun to go down far enough. So one way I can get it to work is if I shift the light forward a space. So if I shift the light forward, now it'll fit and interface. But now the trigger is not blocked, and that kind of defeats the purpose. Where's the other one? This one works a little bit better. As you can see, there's a little bit more of a gap. It still has an interference problem with that thing. And you have a problem with the magazine release. It doesn't want to go down. So you gotta put the light forward one space, and then it will work. But it's still a mediocre compromise. So right now, it's forcing this and this apart around the Picatinny rail. And clearly it works, right? But holstering it kind of it doesn't work. You have to get it in the right angle to get it in there. And that's not really how this thing was designed. Watch. We'll take my Beretta. That takes a while. Yeah. So with the normal gun, it locks right in. Okay. Because you need all this empty space here for the holster to work. If you have a real long dust cover, it interferes with these plastic lamp things. You could Dremel that stuff away, because these are just guides that help you guide the flashlight head in and line up with those indexing pins right there. Okay. So yeah, you could make it work by Dremeling these things away, but then you don't really have anything guiding your light into the right spot. It should be okay since the notches on the side are angled,